Chapter 14, our coverage is going to be a little reduced. So we will be talking about topic 14.1. We will be talking about topic 14.2, and that is it. We won't be covering our cash dividends, retained earnings, or performance measures. Those you're going to get to if you take an intermediate accounting class. So it's great if we can get to it. If not, you will see it again. We're going to focus on the basics, which is topics 14.1 and 14.2. So modify your reading accordingly. You won't be tested on anything that we're not covering together. All right, what you'll learn from those two topics will be the basics of corporate formation, journal entries to record stock issuances for a company, the impact of those stock issuances on a company's equity section, and then finally journal entries relating to treasury stock. So those will be the four objectives of this now modified chapter.